morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 6th of January. Let's get to this weather wisdom for today. We do have a little bit of snow last night. No big deal. Some places getting an inch or so, but most of us just seeing a coating or so. And now today, it's just basically cloudy and rather damp. Temperatures will be in the 30s. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of sunshine, although you could see a little bit. And if we do, temperatures could get to the upper 30s. Sun, remember, is very weak this time of the year. Of course, we're couple of weeks now off the weakest sun of the year, but it still is not very strong. You really have to wait till mid-February before you really start feeling it. It starts to feel like, springtime sun a little bit. That doesn't happen until late in the first, more likely toward the end of the second week. Overnight tonight, a little bit of rain moves in. Could be some freezing rain north and west of 495 with temperatures right around freezing. I think they go up a little bit late at night, and then we get some rain tomorrow morning. Should be some clearing in the afternoon, hopefully. That will help to boost temperatures into the lower 40s. And then Thursday's the pick. Sunshine mid 40s before some more rain moves in later Friday, more likely at the end of the day. Temperature up near 50. And right now, Saturday also looks rather damp. Temperatures in the lower 50s. We're going to stay above freezing as well at night, so we are going to lose any snow cover that you have out there, especially over most of Massachusetts. The snow cover is just not that deep. We're not going to be able to hold it with temperatures this warm, especially again at night with these above freezing temperatures. You're going to have 24, 36, 48, 72 hours above freezing. That's going to melt a lot of this stuff. Have a great day, everybody.